guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video we are going to discuss the latest update of the Bittorrent token. Absolutely my friends, now at this time the situation is going wrong in everything. Every change occurring in the Bittorrent token is completely going wrong. Every change, my friends, the whole changes occur in the BTT token is negative, but don't worry, you have to just subscribe AB stake channel, and absolutely you earn money from cryptocurrencies, my friends. If you want to earn from crypto, so make sure my friends to subscribe our channel. AB stake channel will guide you how to earn money from cryptocurrencies market, my friends. Subscribe now. So at this time the situation of the BTT token is completely in the wrong. So at this time, my friends, this time I recommend for all of you, that's only my personal advice with all of you, to please invest more and more in the BTT token, buy more and more BTT, my friends, because now currently the whole change is negative and the price become low. So I think it's opportunity to invest in the BTT token, because you know what, after one day, after 2 days, the price will take a pump, the price will increase, and that's how you can get profit from a Bittorrent token, my friends. Anyways, now at this time the situation is completely going wrong, but possibility that in the coming 2-3 days they take a jump, my friends. You can see here that now it's also in the jumping mood. The current situation is also negative. Don't worry about these changes, my friends. Everything will be okay. You have to just patience, you have to just wait, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.